Okay. Usually I'm always super happy to get myself into some thoughttivities. I might have got myself into I might have bit more than I could chew. We're doing some stuff, some bowling. By the time I post this, Z1 will already have posted. So we're doing car bowling. I am confident in a lot of my driver's skill except for road course and drifting. And what are we doing? Drifting.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna first get pictures and videos of you guys in front of your cars, whatever. Austin, if you want to sweep by and get some like individual stuff.
I'll probably do like one quick left and then go to the next one, quick right, next one, quick left.
So if you want to do something in front of the camera, do it, whatever.
Man in my hand.
Matt. All right, so after that, if you guys will get in your cars, head back down the parking lot that way and just get in a single file line. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the boxes. I think, Austin, you're gonna call?
Yeah, I'll call it. I'm gonna be probably in between. You guys are gonna line up here. And you can see where these black lines right here, these are the ones I did earlier. You're gonna kick it there. I'm probably gonna be in between the boxes and you, kind of right here in the middle. That way if you spin out, you go in front of me, and if you make the full corner, assuming you don't spin out, I kind of track and follow you the whole time. So,
oh yeah.
Have you explained all of
Definitely spinning out. Blink, give me some pro tips.
I need you to full lock. No, put it till it hits the limiter. Just your engine needs to be coughing.
He said,
Whose man is this?
Dude, whose man's is this?
Whose man is this?
Boy.
yeah, that's like $125 pay.
He knows what's up.
Let me go warm my car up. John's on to something smart. Jeez. Okay.
1 through 10.
I can be bribed.
Okay. So, all right.
You don't want to hurt your car.
Points for style.
And push them at 2 miles an hour, and you still get 6 points. You're just not going to get any style points.
We good?
Good. Sweet. You want to
Everybody in front of their car real quick?
everybody in front of their car.
Okay. Oh God. All right. Here we go. Sean, give me some pointers, man. Y'all, you guys actually drift.
Don't suck.
Okay. Perfect. Thanks, dude. I'm going last.
No, John's going last.
No, I suck. I should go last. Oh my, okay, so objective is there's gonna be multiple boxes. You have to do a turn, half turn into it and slide. Whatever the rules are, I'm gonna break it and I'm totally gonna cheat and I'm totally gonna mess up a lot. So it doesn't even matter what the rules are. Let's see if I even slide. Feels good, man. So we're all setting up. Dude, I did a practice one and I did so bad to the point where like Matt had to talk to me. Dude, when I tell you guys this is way out of my element, this is way out of my element. So I got the GoPro set up. I'm gonna wait for Z1 to roast the living hell out of me. But yeah, we're still gonna send it, dude. We're still gonna send it, dude. Let's do it. F it. Well, here we go. I think Sean's the first one up. Well, yeah, Sean is the first one. Oh God. Let's see how this goes. Oh, he got 2. Oh, okay. Oh God, I'm gonna suck so bad. And we got the people's chant, boing. Let's go. Oh, you. Damn. How am I gonna do this? I'm so screwed. I'm definitely gonna be the one that just doesn't do it right. You'll see. I'm no dripologist. I don't claim to do any of this stuff. I'm not good at this at all. I've been watching a lot of tutorials. You ready? Let me go? Okay. Dude! Damn it! I didn't crash! I didn't crash! Woo! Woo! Let's go, dude! Didn't crash. Boy, let me tell you, man, I was just like, let me smack limiter. Thank you, dude. Thank you, sensei. I was watching how to drift on YouTube. We're good, bro. John. Dude, I'm coming in last place, I think. Sheesh. I'm not beating that. That was beautiful. That was damn, Sensei, you killed it. One more?
One more.
Okay, this is the last one. I'm definitely coming last, man. They're too good. I'm just like slapping limiter, hope I don't die, but whatever, here we go. But one more. I've been watching a video on how to drift on YouTube. I think I got the win, dude. I got the dub.
You got this?
I got this, if I don't fail.
It's tricky, isn't it? Like, it's tight.
It's, yeah, you know, with no power steering, it's something, but it's fine. We ready? All right. I am not winning. For sure I placed last place. I am last place for sure, but that was fun. Let me let this thing cool off. Hey, dude. I didn't crash. Cody, I didn't crash.
Oh,
hey, it's a very nice. Hey, up this box, bro. I didn't crash.
Good job, man.
Thanks, dude. See, I told you. Well, I can't express how much fun I have with this car, how much I love my job, and thank you to them for actually letting me do it. So, what's going on, man? So, yeah, well, I don't know what they're gonna do now. I think they're going to put the Xterra through the boxes. I'm not sure, but let me shut my car off. My man's really out here with the Xterra. Well, yeah, let's do it. I love Z1, man. Oh Lord, let's do it. Wait, Matt, wait.
Come on.
Wait, let me get in here.
I got 4 seats.
Yeah, dude, we got a full car, let's do it.
Come on.
Oh, heck yeah.
Just come up and just power all over him.
Yeah, we were gonna.
Yeah,
Wow,
I got
hold
you.
on.
I got you. Oh, okay.
There you go.
All right, man.
Yeah. What's up, Kyle? Welcome back.
Thanks, man.
Woo, let's do it.
Guys, are you buckled up for safety?
Oh yeah, seatbelts.
You ready?
This one doesn't work.
Wait.
Yeah, you don't have seatbelt back there. Do I need to fix that for you? I'm gonna jam on the brakes hard, so. Good? All right, here we go.
Why is this?
I've always wanted to hit boxes.
Very nice!
Look at that. Alright. Oh my god, dude, it's everywhere. Oh my. Oh my god. Dude. I can't say I don't love my job and coworkers. This is awesome.